What's up, y'all? Lex back with another YouTube video. Today we're going to entity meet somewhere in Miramar as of right now. I don't know how far. I think it's like 20 minutes from here, and we is at right there is literally the Davy Car Wash. Right now we got my dog Toon, me, Jose. Elias is on his way. Ken finna meet us there because he just got off work. But yeah, I'm gonna insert y'all into the GoPro. Y'all finna get some POVs on the way to the meet, and all right, I'll see y'all on the road. So we just pulled into the meet. As of right now, we got Ken, bro. We found Ken like on the middle of the highway, bro. That shit was weird. We got me, Elias, Jose, Toon, and then as of right now, we got like I think it was like American and then German. I don't know.
Remember his garage outside.
Nigga, R35 looks so good, bro. I'm gonna hit y'all when it gets more deep though. Oh shit, look. 40 only. Yeah, that Genesis is hard.
Yo, you see another 550, right?
Yeah. Bro, his lights are bright. What's a fin? What's a fin? What's a fin?
Fin?
Yeah, what's it? For the one that said he look you wanted a fin. Get the fuck out of here, that shit.
What stains? Trash.
Yo, where's Tony Park? Huh? Who is that? What's wrong with the E, bro?
The E should be
That underscore E46. How you feeling, bro? Oh wait, yo, his headlights are clear.
It's nice. Oh, little Jetty. Should park over here, man.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Oh, and it's zoom! Oh my god! Oh, what the fuck?
Let's go. Yeah, man.
You gotta ride cracker, bro. Yo, he's rushing, bro. He's rushing. I don't know. What the fuck, bro? You get the thumbs like, oh shit.
You should have wrote M4 comp on that bitch.
Bro, I don't know, Why is it, yo? Why y'all driving my car? What the fuck?
Yo, Tony. Yo, you talking shit about Beamers? You got an M4 comp, bro.
M4, hell nah. No, we gotta put the Nismo. We know. Instead of M, we put the Nismo. We gotta put the M, bro. And for non-Nismo. Oh, nah. What? Damn, bro.
On McDonald's, right? Why do I like this green? Yo, Ken, you like this green? Like the green?
Now I can't.
Nah, that's fire.
He got stones on his fucking.
Oh, what the hell? Yo, let me hold the RPG, yo. She got an RPG.
We got keys right there.
I'm not going to no king. I wasn't gonna go regardless. I'm broke. Hey. Yo, Elias is despawn? Oh. Where the fuck Elias at, bro? Where he at? Bro. That's what I'm saying. What you getting?
Should I get a... Ooh, that sounds way better. Fuck it.
What you getting?
How the fuck do I go back? There you go.
What you getting?
Huh?
What you getting?
know. I'm trying to have my shit low, but it's not
Nah,
low.
Jit broke.
Chill, bro.
Jit broke. Jit not a big millionaire.
Who not?
You not.
Right? I'm not.
You not. Elias is. Where Elias at?
Bro, I don't. Bro, he was just like you.
Oh. I found that boy. Jit not a McMillionaire.
Sounds better, the camera Sunday or...
They both sound like you're just gonna shit your brains out.
McFlurry or Sunday?
The McFlurry.
Gotta freshen up. Freshen up. Freshen up for what? Freshen up, bro.
Yo, Jit get the tightest shirt so you look bigger.
Bro, that's the first shirt I grabbed. What are you talking about? Either that or I'm just getting too big for a shirt. Yo, you get it.
Hey, you get a dab bod.
Gym day start Monday.
Vamos se lo metí después ella se me duerme. No me te perico, pero fuma de la verde una blanquita.
Pro charge.
been, man?
Can't complain, bro. Oh shit, my slide.
Where'd you guys park?
We parked down this one all the way down.
There's like no parking though.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go down a little bit, then go. All right, yo.
He break you up. He said I'll see you.
Nigga. All right, come on, bitch. No bat. Yo, this shit tripping, bro. Oh shit.
Big turbo super.
Oh, it's purple, right? Yeah. Turbo in here? Yeah.
Aye, that's so fire, bro.
Nigga, the red light is hard. You got to about that.
Yep.
Check in. My fry?
No.
Fuck that nigga trailer. Might not be though.
Yo, Elias, you literally look just like this if you got a headlight delete.
Not like that.
Oh my god. Sneaks BT.
We got Sneaks.
Sneaks.
I love your content, man.
Oh.
That's great. Appreciate you.
Alright.
Nah, seriously, it's crazy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's hard as fuck. Chicken.
Is that GTR on B-Lock? No. But you got. We gonna go there. What the fuck? Yo, he got headlight delete too.
Why you gotta do that to me, dog? I gotta bring my car out, dog. And his manual.
And he got a headlight delete.
And his manual. Bro, it's the exact same fucking car. 335.
Oh, it's what?
Huh?
Tony somewhere with his JDM crowd.
No, don't break mad out here.
See him already? Yeah.
Alright, we're looking at straight bullshit. I'm trying to work that at. Look at that. Nigga, they got straight Supras over there. Ooh. To your right.
Over there.
Fuck this deep.
Yo.
Oh
Rob.
my god.
Rob.
Hi. Jesus.
The size of my neck, bro.
Nah, it's just cool. Yo, I don't know that.
Yeah, he said.
Just how I'm gonna have my shit.
Like that.
To the front. Weld my shit.
That's the big fuck.
Yeah, but bro, I want my shit through the hood.
And you can't daily drive it.
Nigga, fuck that. You know where I want it? I would want it right here.
Through the side? Yeah, through the side. Through the side right here.
Right there. Fuck that nigga up.
Yeah, but we live in Florida. You know you want to do it again?
He's gonna do it again.
up here, bro. How you feeling? That's how you feeling? What happened? What you say?
He said, might as well drop my piece of shit around in circles.
Piece of shit ass shit.
Go over there. Nah, for 2 cars, I'm chilling. Go chill.
For both? Yo, you hear this shit? He said, you got me doing circles on my old ass nigga.
It's about to collapse.
Not us.
Which one did that? I don't know. I was just here.
We out. Yo.
One-on-one individual.
This nigga is trash.
Okay. Oh, garbage.
What about your individual spec?
One-to-one individual, my booty hole. That's it.
Bombastic side eye.
Everybody's scared, like everybody gets.
Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. If y'all voted, like, comment, subscribe.